In this video, we are going to learn how to make this title effect in After Effects with very easy steps. For this, I take two images, one is for background, wallpaper, and one is City of Morocco. So I just import the background image and create a composition with full HD, and timing is 10 seconds because 10 seconds is enough for creating a title. I just place the background image. The image is portrait, so I just rotate the image into landscape with 90 degree and scale up with Alt Control F. Scale up little bit and my background is almost ready. Now I import the City of Morocco image and place in center. Scale down and mask the city part with rough pen tool. Take a pen tool and make a path of the city. You can take any image or reference to make this effect with the same technique. So I am just draw a path with the straight lines with very rough part. You can adjust this path after creating this path also. So I just use a default path and make the rough cut of the center image. Now join the start and end part and my city part is ready. So select the layer and press F and increase the feather amount of the path mask. Now my image is feathered in edges. You can increase the expansion and increase the offset of the path which you draw roughly. Scale up the image and move the points and show some area of the image if you are not getting in rough cuts. You can add points also because you are not going to animate the mask. Now my city is complete. So I create a text part and type the text whatever you want. So I just type the story of Morocco and place in center. My text is merged because background is the same color, so I increase the darkness of the text and scale up. Hide this layer because I am not going to animate right now the text part. I have to animate the background first. So to create a reveal effect, first I have to blend the image into background. You can take any blend mode which suits your image. So I think hard light is okay for me and increase the opacity. Okay, now my image is merged in background. Now time to animate the background of the image. So I take the ink drop effect which I downloaded from YouTube, scale up to the image size, but my black part is in the center part only, so I just split the layer, go to edit, not in layers, go in edit mode and click on split layer. Now my ink effects split into different, so I just freeze the frame of the last image and increase the timing and scale animate. Now my background is ready to mask. So just select both the layers and press Shift Ctrl C, merge them. Now this is the mask area. So I use track matte with Luma key of background. Now my image is revealed according to the black and white mask, but in the end part my image is going to still, so I just animate the scale to show more realistic. So I just decrease the amount of scaling of the image so it looks more realistic. Now time to animate the text part. For text part, I am going to trace this text with the layer auto trace with alpha channel and create mask by the text. So I just hide the text part, and this mask layer, it create a solid layer. So I press Shift Ctrl Y and change the color of solid. In the whole mask I apply a stroke effect, and stroke shows only in one character. So I just click on reveal original image and click on all mask, but brush size is very low, so I just increase the brush size to reveal the text. I have to animate the text part according to the image reveal. So I just animate the end 0 to 100. So my text is also revealed according to the background reveal. Now my effect is almost ready. If you want to give some color correction, you can apply a adjustment layer and give effect whatever you want to give. And if you want to add some 3D effect or lighting, so you can convert all the images into 3D and place a artificial light in After Effects. And I just increase the bluish part so it look more realistic. Almost my scene is ready. Hope you like the video. You can download all the scenes on my website www.sudhirsagar.com. Thanks for watching and subscribe my channel for latest updates. Thank you.